Hey YouTube. So today is just like a morning routine, and I'm gonna wake up my daughter. Yes, I have a daughter. Y'all didn't know that, but I got a daughter. So I'm gonna introduce y'all to her. Her name is Azaria. Hold on, let me go pick this girl up. Azaria. Azaria,
Huh?
wake up. I gotta introduce you to my YouTube.
It is 3 o'clock in the morning.
Girl, you'll be
What?
fine. Come on, put some
Okay.
clothes on. So,
All
so
right.
you don't look all dusty and stuff. Cause what you looking?
Baby will never be dusty.
This look girl. But whatever. I'm gonna get dressed too, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when I got my clothes on. Good morning, YouTube. This is my little part of the skit, so let's get ready. First, we're gonna brush my teeth, get some water. Brush my teeth, because you can't brush your teeth, right? If you don't brush your teeth, you're just trifling and disgusting. Okay. Now I gotta rinse my mouth out. And go ahead. Rinse my mouth. There you go. I gotta pee. Now we gonna take a quick shower. Okay, got on my outfit. Don't play with her. Hey YouTube, I'm back. I was with my daughter. Introduce yourself, Azaria.
Hi, my name is Rosaria. I'm 13 years old. My favorite color is black, pink, blue, and white. My favorite hobby is cheering, and yeah, I'm also really pretty.
Girl. Anyway, but we already got in the shower, we brushed our teeth. I think I already saw the part where she was, doing her little routine or whatever. I didn't show my part because, all I did was brush my teeth. She did other stuff. But we finna go ahead tonight. We finna go, watch the people pop their fireworks at the beach. So I'm probably gonna cook some food. I'm gonna show y'all that. So yeah. I'm finna go ahead and cook.
You just told me why. Mom. What you making?
I'm making pancakes. Not the usual every morning.
Oh, wait. You make that every
Make the batter first.
Like you do. What's this? Baby food. Ah.
Yeah, here comes from your little cousin. She actually right here. I have to put some in the refrigerator so next time she come over she has some.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
Oh shoot. Okay. Put these fruit up.
I need to wash some clothes.
Alright.
I think I do.
Let that cook off.
Oh, Mama, I like your picture and your this.
Yeah, I'm not done putting up all the pictures yet. I still gotta go back to the store and buy some later. Can you watch that stove for me and tell me when it's done?
Yeah, I just gotta finish my shit real quick. Okay.
Is it done?
Yeah, I think so.
Let me see. Yeah. Okay, put my food on there. Okay, here it go. Put the diamonds in. Alright, come on, eat. I got done eating, and my daughter, she has to go to school. Well, not school, but she has to go to practice, cheer practice. And well, it's not really cheer practice, but she had to go back in her room. It's like this little meeting thing that they gotta do on a Zoom, and they have to practice some cheers or whatever. So I think I'm gonna come back and record after she get done with that, and then I think about time then we're gonna go watch them pop the fireworks at the beach, and then I'll probably end the video there. So I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna see you guys back when I'm back. So yeah. Hey YouTube, I'm back. So me and my daughter, we're on our way to go watch them pop fireworks. I didn't get to record, like, you know, getting in the car and stuff, but I'm recording now. Say hey, Azaria. Azaria.
Huh?
Say hey.
Oh, hey, y'all.
Yeah, I got my daughter in the car with me. I'm gonna be running these red lights. We're in a rush right now. Okay, I think they popped the fireworks here, so I'm gonna like park my car a little bit right here. Alright, get out the car, Azaria. Okay, so if you guys hear me like coughing or whatever, just cause like I got a cold now. Okay. I should be popping them. Yo, look, they're so cute. Okay, come on, sit down. I'm gonna sit down and watch them pop the fireworks. This is so cute. Not that I get to go home, I can eat something. Get my daughter, y'all. We're just chillaxing. Maybe make this the thumbnail. Make a little thumbnail probably. Okay. If y'all hear any like background noises, I'm sorry for that. But yeah. I don't know what she doing. Sit back down. What you doing? Oh, okay. Well, she making a little TikTok.
One, two, 1, 2. You can't be me, you can't be me, you can't be me, you do. Roll my shoulders, roll them faster, faster than you. Touch my head and I regret, I'm about to shit on you. Bow, 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 bow. Beat that girl, I see in the crowd. Touch my head, touch my head, touch my head.
Okay, daughter, period.
I'm about to go. You can't be me, you can't be me, you do. Roll my shoulders, roll them faster, faster than you. Touch my head and I regret, I'm about to shit on you.
Period. Or y'all. Y'all, look at my daughter. What is she doing? But y'all, it's like almost time to go. It's starting to get back, you know, morning. So we're gonna go head home. Come on, Azaria. We finna head home. You said what? Okay, I don't know what she's doing, but we'll be right back. I'll just get back to y'all when I'm at the house, and then I'll probably like end it there. I might just eat too, and like I'll get back with y'all. So yeah. Okay, y'all, we back. We at the house. We had got some rallies and we came back. But I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope y'all liked today's video about, spending the day with me and my daughter, morning routine, going to watch fireworks. It was a lot going on in this video. And I hope y'all liked it. I'm gonna let y'all talk to my daughter. She on her phone. Get off your phone. Put the phone away. Alright. Y'all finna go talk to my daughter. Say hey. Say bye.
Bye, y'all. And y'all better come back for my first day of school. Because that's going to be lit.
Yeah, we're going to be post another video probably today or tomorrow. And we'll post a new video about my daughter getting ready for her first day of school. Because we just moved out here, if y'all didn't know that. We just moved out here, like, not so long ago. So she's not really...
Red Cliff.
Yeah. We had moved in... We used to live in Red Cliff. Now we moved in Berry Avenue, if you guys was wondering. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking, and yeah, subscribe also. Don't forget to hit that bell and like and comment. But yeah, bye bye.